Okay.
This is a Hybco model 1900 grinder. It was built in 1990. It's a 3-axis grinder. This table will rotate back and forth probably about 10 degrees. These wheels tilt. If you watch, you can see this one going back and forth. Everything works on it. Very smooth. We're minus a wheel here. We don't know what kind of fixture this was. It was working a few minutes ago. And then we plugged it in again. And it shorted out here in this box. We don't know what it did, but when it was working, it was feeding against this. This has room for another wheel here. And also this motor, you can take this motor off this side and put it over here. So if you want to use this just for turning down end mills and that kind of stuff, you can do just about anything you want with this. It's a real nice machine. And we've got some extra parts here. We don't know what they go to, but they came with the grinder, so we're going to ship them along. And this is 223 phase. And that's about it.